Borough President.
How did you like that beautiful dance? In Queens, we are the most multi-ethnic county in the United States of America. You saw Mexican dancers, you could see Russian dancers, you could see Greek dancers entertaining. It's really such a joy to be part of this borough, and especially to be your borough president. I love this, and I love to see so many people come out and enjoy our parks. We have more parklands than Brooklyn. Don't let the borough president of Brooklyn tell you he's got the biggest parkland. We have more here in Queens, and we take full advantage of it. And so I hope everyone is having a good time. It's a nice day. It's good news for me that it's a day when we can be here, that it's not raining and stopping all this wonderful activity that you're seeing, we're all witnessing today. The parks, our parks are here for the people. I'm a New York City kid. I grew up in the Bronx, in Crotona Park, Morrisania Park, and to see what we do with our parks here is absolutely fabulous. And I love the people coming out and enjoying it. And whatever they want as far as fixing up the park, I'm right there. People have given me the privilege and the responsibility of spending their tax dollars. I spend them very, very carefully.
Beautiful. Thank you very much for sharing good news with us.
Okay, great. Thank you.